Hey artists! Have you ever finished a painting and felt like something was missing? Often, the problem is ignoring light and shadows. These elements are essential for creating depth, realism, and mood in your artwork. In this video, I'll share 10 common mistakes artists make when they neglect light and shadows and how to fix them. Let's get started. Mistake 1. Flat and lifeless paintings. Without proper light and shadow, your artwork can look flat and two-dimensional. Strong highlights and shadows add depth, volume, and realism, making objects appear more three-dimensional. Mistake 2. Ignoring the light source. If your painting lacks a clear light source, shadows and highlights will be inconsistent, making objects look unnatural. Always decide where your light is coming from before you start painting. Mistake 3. Using only black for shadows. Shadows are not just black. Overusing black can make your painting look dull and unnatural. Instead, mix deep blues, purples, or complementary colors to create rich, realistic shadows. Mistake 4. Forgetting to observe real-life shadows. Shadows behave differently depending on light direction, intensity, and color temperature. If you don't observe real-life lighting, your shadows may not match your subject's form. Mistake 5. Hard versus soft shadows. Not all shadows should have the same sharpness. Direct light creates sharp, hard shadows, while soft, diffused light creates gradual shadows. Mixing both types adds variety and realism. Mistake 6. Neglecting reflected light. Light bounces off surfaces, affecting the colors and the shadows. If you ignore reflected light, your shadows may look too harsh and disconnected from the environment. Mistake 7. Shadows that don't follow the form. Shadows should follow the curvature of an object. If they're too flat or rigid, the form won't look natural. Observe how light wraps around different shapes to improve accuracy. Mistake 8. No variation in value. Shadows and highlights aren't just one shade. They have gradients and soft transitions. Using only one dark value for shadows and one light value for highlights will make your painting look unrealistic. Mistake 9. Ignoring cast shadows. Objects cast shadows onto other surfaces, which help ground them in the scene. If you don't include cast shadows, objects can appear to be floating instead of sitting naturally in the environment. Mistake 10. Rushing the light and shadow study. Many artists skip studying light and shadow before painting. Taking time to practice light studies, whether from life, photos, or grayscale sketches, will dramatically improve your ability to render light correctly. Light and shadow are key to making your paintings look more realistic, dynamic, and visually appealing. Take time to observe real lighting, experiment with different shadow colors, and always define your light source before painting. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more painting tips. Keep practicing and happy painting!